Al Hilal Bank Cashback Credit Card Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Al Hilal Bank Cashback Credit Card isn't just another credit card. You won't believe how it rewards everyday spending. Most people get this wrong by assuming all cashback cards are the same. The surprising truth is this card offers tiered cashback, low fees, and added benefits that make it practical for daily use. The annual fee is around $200, but that's offset by cashback on purchases. You earn 1–2% cashback on groceries, dining, and fuel, while some online and international purchases earn higher rates. You won't believe the perks: complimentary airport lounge access, insurance coverage, and exclusive offers add value beyond cashback. Late fees and interest rates apply like any card, but responsible use ensures rewards outweigh costs. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the annual fee. The real value comes from maximizing cashback and perks. For example, regular spenders on groceries and fuel can effectively offset the annual fee and even earn extra savings. Coupled with secure banking and convenient digital tools, the card is a smart financial option. In conclusion, Al Hilal Bank Cashback Credit Card pricing reflects both usability and rewards. By analyzing the annual fee, cashback categories, and extra perks, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly get for your money. It's more than a card, it's a practical tool for everyday spending.